treasures of history, the world's most beautiful landmarks. In this episode, we'll take a closer look at the Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain is located in Rome, Italy. It is the largest and one of the most famous Baroque fountains in the world. The fountain is renowned for its stunning sculptural design and the tradition of tossing coins. Legend says that if you throw a coin into the fountain, you will surely return to Rome. Here are some of the most interesting facts about the Trevi Fountain, the largest Baroque fountain in Rome. The Trevi Fountain is the largest Baroque fountain in Rome, measuring about 26 meters high and 49 meters wide. Its monumental appearance makes it an instantly recognizable landmark. Thousands of visitors admire it daily, fascinated by its intricate details. It stands as a symbol of historical grandeur and artistic excellence in Italian culture. The famous coin-throwing tradition. People traditionally throw coins into the fountain, hoping they will return to Rome. 1 coin means a guaranteed return. 2 bring love, and 3 promise marriage. Around 3,000 euros is collected each day. This tradition adds a romantic and magical charm to the location. Coins used for charity. The fountain coins are collected and donated to help the poor. About 1.4 million euros is raised every year. The funds are used mainly for food assistance programs. This transforms a tourist tradition into an act of generosity. Ancient aqueduct source. The fountain is fed by the Aqua Virgo aqueduct, built in 19 BC. This aqueduct supplied water to ancient Rome for more than 4 centuries. The site has deep historical roots. The fountain represents a meeting point of ancient engineering and modern artistry. Nearly 30 years to build. Construction lasted nearly 3 decades, from 1732 to 1762. Nicola Salvi began the project and Giuseppe Panini completed it after Salvi's death. Financial and political issues caused delays throughout the process. The result, however, became one of Italy's most beautiful creations, Neptune as the central figure. The central figure of the fountain is Neptune, god of the sea, riding a chariot pulled by seahorses. One horse is calm while the other is wild, symbolizing the sea's unpredictability. Additional allegorical figures surround Neptune. The composition creates a dramatic and dynamic scene. Carefully planned maintenance. The fountain is cleaned only when the water is stopped, which happens rarely. Maintenance is planned to preserve its historical appearance. Visitors can then see details normally hidden by flowing water. Restorers use special techniques to protect the marble. Technically, drinkable water. The fountain's water is technically drinkable as it comes from an aqueduct. However, drinking directly from the fountain is not recommended. There is a side spout where visitors can symbolically take a sip. This act is believed to bring good luck. Iconic film location. The fountain has appeared in many movies, most famously in Fellini's La Dolce Vita. It also appeared in Roman Holiday. These scenes boosted its global recognition. It is one of the most photographed film locations in the world. Major modern restoration. In 2015, the fountain was fully restored by the fashion house Fendi. The project cost around 2.2 million euros. Both the sculptures and the water system were renewed. The fountain now shines brighter than ever. Symbol of triumph over nature. The fountain's composition represents humanity's triumph over nature. The sea is shown as powerful yet controllable. Allegories highlight water's importance and strength. The overall impression is majestic and commanding. Designed through competition. The fountain's design resulted from an artistic competition. Alessandro Galilei first won, but the project went to Nicola Salvi instead. The decision was influenced by resistance to foreign artistic influence. The final design became legendary. Magical night illumination. The fountain is beautifully illuminated at night and looks even more majestic. Lights highlight every marble detail. Visitors often say the nighttime view is the most enchanting. Rome becomes filled with romance during this time. Vandalism and protection. The fountain has been vandalized several times. Some people tried to steal coins, others damaged sculptures. In 2007, it was dyed red with ink. Today, security cameras and police help protect it. Inspiration for artists. The fountain inspires poets, painters, and filmmakers. Its dramatic composition stimulates creativity. It appears in literature and art projects. To this day, it fascinates creators worldwide. Irregular sculpted basin. The fountain's basin is not flat, but sculpted like a rocky coastline. This creates the illusion of a natural marine environment. The water appears dynamic and deep. It is a unique artistic design element. Romantic meeting spot. The fountain is a favorite location for couples and engagements. People make promises of love and return here. The atmosphere is romantic and emotional. The area is lively day and night. Soothing soundscape. The sound of flowing water masks city noise. Many visitors find it calming. The fountain becomes a place of relaxation in the heart of Rome. Nature's sound enhances the artistic experience. Fashion and luxury symbol. Photographers and influencers frequently use the fountain as a backdrop. The spot radiates elegance and luxury. It appears in ads and fashion campaigns. It symbolizes Italian style and beauty. Promise of return to Rome. The most famous legend says that whoever throws a coin will return to Rome. Many tourists believe in this ritual. It becomes an emotional moment for every visitor. Rome keeps its charm alive in this tradition. Discover the greatest wonders of the ancient, the modern, and the natural world only on Monuments Channel.